Hey there, Heritage Landing fans. Roberto Lee here at Heritage Landing today in Punta Gorda. And today we're previewing this new construction home here by Lennar. This is the Angelina floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage, a little over 2,000 square foot. Let's run inside and take a look here. So right off to the left of the entry, we have the first guest bedroom here. Lots of windows, natural light. You've got the bifold closet setup here. And then just off the bedroom is the guest bath here with the combination tub and shower, the singular sink and commode. And then right directly across is the second guest bedroom here. This can also be utilized as a den if you need to, but you've got the closet window set up. And then you also have the sliding pocketing doors here at the front of the room. So you can use this as a den setup if you like. Right across from the den here, you've got this dedicated dining spot here, or if you wanted to make an additional seating area, that would work well for the space. Now, you've got this huge great room design here. Obviously, this home's not done, so you're seeing bits and pieces that still need to be put in. But right off the kitchen here, to the right, this is going to be where your laundry space is, as well as your access to the garage. So you do have the utility sink as well as additional storage, and you will have a full-size washer and dryer in here. You do have a nice pantry here off the kitchen. And then here at your kitchen, you've got a seated workspace here. You've got the nice white cabinets. You'll have your fridge, your wall oven and microwave, your cooktop, and the hood right above it. And then this overlooks your entire great room space here. So really nice open space here. You've got the granite countertops, dishwasher, the disposal. And on the other side of the great room area, this is where your master is. A really nice sized master. Again, plenty of windows here. And then you have sliders leading to your outdoor living space. Down this hallway here, you have the closets here for the master. So this is more of the walk-in style setup, and this one here is more of a coat closet setup. And that brings us into the bath area with the dual sinks. You've got the corner soak-in tub, the standalone shower, and then this is your enclosed water closet right there. Now, last but not least on this home, the outdoor living space and the views. So this one here, the Angelina, has a really nice size lanai under truss. You do have electrical components out here. If you wanted to add an outdoor kitchen, you've got the electric there for the below components as well as your countertop. On the other side here, you also have cable there if you wanted to add a TV. And then this one here comes with the pool and spa package, as well as this awesome view over the lake here. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.